In this video, I am going to solve two basic problems under the Lagrange's interpolation formula. These two problems are very important, and two problems are different here. So let us move on to the statement of the problem. Use Lagrange's interpolation formula to find a f of 4 given that x enters as 0, 2, 3, 6. F of x is a minus 4, 2, 40, 158. So here what is our aim here? We have to find f of 4 here. Okay, f of 4, it implies here f of x only. In place of x, what we have here? 4. Means we have to find the y at x is equals to 4. That is nothing but f of 4 by using the Lagrange's interpolation formula. For that one, what they given here? A table. That table contains the x entries, f of x entries. Okay, so observe the x entries. X entries are in a unequal intervals mode. Okay, so first write down the what is the given entries are here. So let the x entries are denoted as x0, x1, x2, x3. First entry starts from x0 only. x0 is equals to 0, x1 is equals to 2, x2 is equals to 3, x3 is equals to 6 here. Similarly, corresponding y entries, f of x is nothing but y only. Therefore, these entries are denoted as y0, y1, y2, y3 respectively. y0 minus 4, y1 2, y2 14, y3 158. In this case, we have to find f of 4, that implies f of x. What it means? X is equals to 4 only. So we have here Lagrange's interpolation formula for a 4 given values here. Okay, they mentioned here 4 entries. Therefore, the number of terms must be 4 here. The number of terms here 4. Okay, and one more thing. See here, y is equals to f of x is equals to. Write down the formula here. Observe here, I explained in the last video, the number of the terms depends on the number of entries given in the table. Here, the number of entries are 4. Then the numerator and denominator must contains the 3 factors in the numerator and 3 factors in the denominator. If there is a 5, means if there is a 5 terms, 5 entries in the table, then here 4 factors in the numerator and the 4 factors in the denominator. Okay, so here in the given, in the present problem, they mentioned here 4 entries. Then there is a, in the formula, there is a 3 factors in the formula here. Okay, so see here, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3, and this whole term is multiplied with the y1. I explained in the last video, the numerator does not contain here, does not have the here factor x minus x0, and the denominator is such that wherever is x appears in the numerator, that x is replaced as a x0 in the denominator, and the first term is multiplied with the y0. Similarly, for second one, here the missing term is x minus x0, here missing term is x minus x1, here missing term is x minus x2, and the fourth term, the missing term is x minus x3. Okay, so here first term means first entry x0, 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 here x1, 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 x2, 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 and here x3, x3, x3. Okay, so the formula for the interpolation formula goes like this one. So second term multiplied with y1, third term multiplied with y2, fourth term multiplied with the y3. Then substitute all these entries in this formula here. Okay, so substitute all these entries in this formula. Okay, so what we have, x means 4, 4 minus x minus x1 is there, 4 minus x1, what we have 2, 4 minus 2. Then here 4 minus 3, x minus x3, 4 minus 6 divided by x0 minus x1. x0 what we have here 0, x1 means what we have 2. Then x0 what we have 0, x2 what we have here 3. Next 0 minus 6 into y0. First term what we have here y0. First term is multiplied with the y0 minus 4. Then plus second term also same case, x minus x0, 4 minus 0. Next x minus what we have here, x minus x2 is there na. So what it implies here, 4 minus 3, x minus x3 4 minus 6. Okay, divided by x1 minus x0. What we have for x1 minus x0? x1 means 2 minus 0, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 6, and this whole term is multiplied with the y1. y1 is nothing but 2. Okay, next. Similarly, third one, what we have? X minus x0 is there. So 4 minus 2, x minus x1. X1 what we have here? 2. 4 minus 2. Okay. Then x0 0 is the 4 minus 0. X minus x0 0. x1 2. 4 minus x minus x3. x3 value 6. Divided by here x2 3 minus 0. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 6, and this whole term is multiplied with the 14. y2 what we have? 14. Then similarly last one, 4 minus 0, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 3, 6 minus 0, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 3, and this whole term is multiplied with the 158. Okay, and solve each and every term here. 4 minus 2, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, 4 minus 6, minus 2, divided by minus into minus into minus, minus only, 2 3 is 6, okay, 6 6 is 36 here, into minus 4, plus 4, 4 minus 0, 4, 4 minus 3, 1, 4 minus 6, minus 2, divided by 2, 2 minus 3, minus 1, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 2 into minus 4, 8. Okay, then into 2 here. Then plus 4, 4 minus 2, 2, 4 minus 6, minus 2, divided by 3 minus 6, minus 3, minus 3 into 3, minus 9 into 14. Similarly, last one, 4 minus 0, 4, 4 minus 2, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, divided by 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 into what we have here? 3, 72 into 158. Solve each and every term here. Okay, you will get a 360 divided by 9. It implies 40. Okay, therefore f of 4 value here 40. This is our required final answer. So next move on to the second problem under the Lagrange's interpolation formula. This is also important problem. So observe here statement of the problem. Use Lagrange's interpolation formula to fit a polynomial for the data x as a 0, 1, 3, 4, y as a minus 12, 0, 6, 12, and hence estimate y at x is equals to 2. Observe here, this is very important problem. This problem contains the two parts here. First we have to fit here polynomial. What it means? We have to find here polynomial by using the Lagrange's interpolation formula in terms of x by using the given data here. After that one, second part of the problem is by using that polynomial we are going to find y at x is equals to 2. So whatever you will get a polynomial by using Lagrange's interpolation formula in terms of x, in place of x substituted 2, then you will get the y at x is equals to 2 value. Okay, so that is the second part of the problem here. First we have to find here polynomial. Okay, so for that one, write down the given data. 0, 1, 3, 4 are the x entries, that is in unequal entries, unequal intervals here. So write down here x0, 0, x1, x2, x3 respectively, and corresponding y entries are y0, y1, y2, y3. I written already y0 as a minus 12, y1 0, y2 6, y3 12 here. Write down the Lagrange's interpolation formula. Here also same case. So here 4 entries, then the factors must be 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator here. already written here Lagrange interpolation formula here. X minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, x naught minus x3, and this whole term is multiplied with the y1, y naught. In the numerator, missing term is x minus x naught, and denominator is such that wherever is x in the numerator, that x is replaced as a x naught in the denominator, and the first term is multiplied with the y naught. Similarly, second term, third term, and fourth term. So this is the formula for the Lagrange's interpolation here. Okay, then in this case, observe here, initially we have to find here polynomial. Therefore, don't substitute x as here 2. Initially we had to fit a polynomial, therefore you had to keep a x as it is, because we want here polynomial in terms of a x. Don't substitute a x value. Okay, so keep x as it is. So what we have here, x as it is minus x1 means 1, x minus x2 what we have 3, x minus x3 4 here. Okay, divided by x naught minus x1. X naught what we have 0 minus x1 1, x naught minus x2 0 minus 3, x naught minus x3 0 minus 4 into y naught. Y naught what we have here minus 12 plus x minus x naught 0, x minus x2 3, x minus x4 x3 4 here, whole divided by 1 minus 0 1 minus 3 1 minus 4 into y1. Y1 what we have here 0. Okay, next. Similarly, third one what we have here, x minus x naught 0, x minus x1, x1 means 1, x minus 4 divided by here x2 minus x naught is there. X2 means what we have here 3 minus x naught 0. Okay, 3 minus 0. Next, x2 minus x1 3 minus 1, x2 minus x3, x2 minus x3 3 minus 4 into y2 we have y2 as a 6 plus last one x minus x naught. Okay, x minus 0. Next, x minus x1 1, x minus 3 divided by x3 means 4 minus 0 4 minus 1 4 minus 3. Okay, so into y3 means 12. Then after this one, solve the term here, each and every term. Then observe here. So first term what we have here, x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 4 divided by minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. What it implies here, minus 12. Minus 12, minus 12 get cancels here. Here minus 12. In the numerator we have minus 12 as well. Okay. So next, plus x minus 0 x into x minus 3, x minus 4. So 0 into whole term is there, na? Then write down directly 0. Okay. Then plus x minus 1, x minus 4 divided by 3 minus 0, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 4 is there. 3 minus 0, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 6 into minus 1, minus 6. Already 1 6 is there. Okay, keep here as it is. Plus, here also same case, x into x minus 1, x minus 3 divided by 4, here 3, 4 3 is a 12, 12 into 12 here. Okay, you can observe here. Minus 12 get cancels, 6 get cancels, 12 get cancels here. Okay, so what it means? X minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 4. Okay, next minus is there, minus into plus, minus x minus 1, x minus 4 plus x into x minus 1, x minus 3. So observe all these three terms. So here x minus 1 is the common term. Here x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1, take it outside. Then here x minus 3, x minus 4, and here x into x minus 4. Finally x into x minus 3. Then solve the terms here. X into x, x square minus 4x minus 3x plus minus into minus plus 12. Then minus x into x, x square minus into minus plus 4x, x into x, x square plus into minus minus 3x. Okay. Then if there is any cancellation, then cancel that terms here. X minus 1. Here minus x square plus x square get cancels. This x square as it is. Minus 4x plus 4x. Minus 3x minus 3x. Minus 6x plus 12 as it is. Next. X minus 1 into this whole term. X into x square, x cube. X into minus 6x square plus 12x. Minus into minus x square. Minus into minus plus 6x. Minus into plus minus 12. Then x cube as it is. Minus 6x square minus x square minus 7x square. 12x plus 6x. 18x minus 12. So this is our required polynomial. Okay. So this is our required polynomial. It is nothing but y only. So y is equals to f of x is equals to x cube minus 7x square plus 18x minus 12. So this is our required polynomial. So it completes the half of the problem. Next here, observe a statement of the problem. First, in the initially we have to fit a polynomial. We already found that one polynomial, x cube minus 7x square plus 18x minus 12. Okay. After that one we have to estimate y at x is equals to 2. Okay. For y at x is equals to 2, put x is equals to 2 in a polynomial. Okay. So y is equals to, wherever is x in the polynomial, put x as a 2. 2 cube, 7 into 2 square plus 18 into 2 minus here 12. Okay. Then solve this one, we'll get a 4. Therefore y is equals to f of 2 value is here 4. This is our required solution of this problem here. It completes the solution.